All right, the first thing we want to do here is create a link to be able to resend the verification email to the user, especially because we implemented a temporary signed URL, which means that after 60 minutes, that URL becomes invalid. So we want users to be able to generate a new link if they did not click on it within 60 seconds. So here under the send verification email, we are simply going to do if request user. And remember, we have access to the request user because you have to be authenticated to access that route. If you're not authenticated, we don't even care about whether your email was verified or not. So if the request user has verified email, and this is a method again that comes from the must verify email contract that we are implementing in the user model. So if the user has already verified their email, then there's no need trying to send them with another verification link, right? So we just return response JSON, and we'll wrap this in an errors object. And in the errors here, we're just going to say status email already verified. Otherwise, we can actually just verify the user by calling the user send email verification notification. And again, this is a method. If you go to the user and the must verify email interface here, we have that method already defined as part of that interface. So Laravel has handled that for us, and we just need to call that method to send an email to the user to verify their account. And then we just do a return response. We don't expect anything back, and then with a 200 response. So let's go to Postman and try this out. In Postman, I'm just going to log in again here as the user. We have a bearer token, and we go to the email verification notification. And under email verification notification, we can go to the body. We are not doing anything, so we don't pass anything in the body because the user will be identified from the authentication token. And if we click on that, we don't get anything in the front end, which is also good. It's not an error, but it did succeed with 200, which means we should have received an email to say we need to verify the email account. So we receive another email, which is similar to the first. It simply resends that email verification link, and the user can click on that to get their email account verified.